Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale and this is your April 2018 Flavors of the Month kit. The Flavors of the Month comes out every month. It includes 4 brand new collections, including cardstock, patterned paper, and embellishments. You also receive a sample of gourmet coffee each month so you can brew that up and drink while you create. You're also going to get access to 4 recipe cards designed by the design team for 4 double-page layouts, one for each one of the collections in your kit. It's going to include a color photo of the finished layout, some assembly, cutting instructions, so you'll be ready to create right away if you're looking for some extra inspiration. So let's go through and see what's in this month's kit. We have Chamel's box of crayons from American Crafts, Echo Park, Imagine That, and Pink Fresh, Let Your Heart Decide, and Simple Stories, I Am. Now let's take a closer look at each one of these to see everything that's going to be included in your kit. First up from American Crafts is Chamel's collection, A Box of Crayons. This is vibrant, as you can tell by the name, all of the colors in a box of crayons. It has a wide range of themes in it. You could scrapbook about your children, creating just about anything with this collection. It is just really fun, very, very true to Chamel. So in this, you're going to get 2 sheets of white cardstock. Your patterned paper is this one called Believe in You, which is just a really artsy design with different triangles and shapes with all the colors. The back side is all of the fun colors again, just in wonky circles. A full branding strip of the fun little dog. This paper called A New Thought, so it has the yellow, white, and aqua, but then this dark navy blue kind of painted circles on it, so that's fun. The back side is the aqua with a gray dash through it. And then again, a full branding strip of the white with the black diagonal stripe. This one's called Looking Up, and it has all of these really cute toucans. And the back side is a script print of the blue on the dark navy blue. And it's all about planning and dreaming and creating. And then down here, it's a wood circle with the color points, so it kind of looks like the ends of colored pencils. So that's a really fun design. So one more look at your patterned paper. For the embellishments, you're going to get one of the little shakers. So these are like air-filled puffies, but it has little sequins in it. So these are going to vary. All of your embellishments will vary, but this is what was in my kit. You also get 1 sheet of the alpha stickers. So I have the aqua with the silver. And then 1/6 of a pack of the ephemera. So again, all of these will vary, but this is a good variation. As I was saying, you could do with creating an artwork, florals, there's a little dog, and then the rainbow. So there's just a wide range of things you could scrapbook with this collection. So that's Chamel Box of Crayons. The next collection is from Echo Park, and it's called Imagine That. So this is a boy-themed layout, but again, you could use these general color sides of the papers and create just about anything with this collection. So you're going to get 2 sheets of craft cardstock. Your pattern paper includes this one called Sketch It Out. So it has a lot of different boy sayings on it. The back side is the Etch-a-Sketch, and it has dinosaurs and rockets and airplanes. This one called Super Dogs, which has all of the paper airplanes in a rusty red. And then the back side is this super cute puppy print, and they're like little puppy superheroes. They have their capes and their little masks, so that's going to be a lot of fun to use. This one called Galaxy Quest, so this is a good generic pattern, but it has stars and stripes and polka dots and a color scheme. And then it has like a galaxy print on the back, so there's some kind of two-toned navy blue going on with white paint splatters. So one more look at the patterned paper. Then for the embellishments, you're going to get a third of the pack of the ephemera. So again, all of your embellishments will vary among the kits, but this is a good idea of what you could get. You're going to get some of a yard of the Maya Road green twine, and then some enamel dots. So you'll get 6 enamel dots. The colors will vary on the enamel dots. So that's a look at Echo Park Imagine That. Next, from Pink Fresh, we have Let Your Heart Decide. So this is a fun collection. It does have the hearts throughout the paper on this one, but this would be a great general themed paper that you could scrapbook a lot of different memories with. So this one is called Caper, and again it has the hearts and then some different phrases throughout those. And the back side is this great blueprint that has kind of a geometric design built into the circles of that pattern. This one called Thought, which all of these frames of different thoughts along with the washi tape printed on there. So that's really a lot of fun. That's a little different. Those would be great to cut apart and use as embellishing and layers behind your photos. The back side has this kind of watercolor brush stroked that resembles washi tape, but it looks like it's painted on there with the different colors in this collection. This collection has a really beautiful color scheme to it. This one, called Impulse, is a beautiful floral print, and the back side again has the geometric design kind of in that peachy orange on the white. So one more look at the patterned paper. And then for the cardstock, you're going to get 2 sheets of Fig Swirl cardstock, so it matches this gray in here great. For the embellishments, you're going to get one of the frames, so this will vary, but this is really cute. If you can see here, it has where it's been sewn across a couple of the embellishments, so that's really nice. That gives you some ideas of other ways you could use some of your little ephemera pieces. And then a 1/6 pack of the ephemera. So again, all of those embellishments will vary, but that's a good representation of it. So that's Pink Fresh, Let Your Heart Decide. The final collection in this month's Flavors of the Month is from Simple Stories, and it's an I Am collection. Simply gorgeous. So for the cardstock, I'm going to get 2 sheets of vanilla. The patterned paper is this one called Make It Happen. It has the black on the cream colored background, and this back side has that gorgeous floral print that Simple Stories is so well known for. This one's called Loving Life. Again, it has that beautiful floral, and it has some of the rosy gold foiling here, and it's that black pinstripe on that cream background. This one is a watercolor smudging look with all of the different colors. This one's called Living Vibrantly. And the back side is a pink ledger. So one more look at the patterned paper. This is just a gorgeous, gorgeous collection. And again, perfect for scrapbooking just about anything. But definitely geared to scrapbook about yourself. So for your embellishments, you're going to get one of the wire word clips. So this will vary, but I got Hello, and you can see it looks like a paper clip on the back side, if you're going to see it. And then you're going to get a 1/5 pack of the ephemera. So it will vary among the kits, but this is a good variation, and it has some of the foiling in on those pieces of ephemera. So a beautiful, beautiful collection. So one more look at your Flavors of the Month kit for April 2018. Be sure to come on over to the ScrapRoom blog and the Facebook page to join in on the challenges, see what the design team's creating with their kits, as well as your fellow subscribers. Join in on the challenges to win some prizes. And if you're not already a subscriber of the YouTube channel, click that coffee cup and you'll be notified when the new videos are revealed. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.